All right, today we're gonna unbox this thing, put it together. Ta-da! All right, let's pop this out. See what we got. Holy camoli, look at that thing. Wow, it looks good. I think this is the base here. Okay. And it is that's heavy. It's a heavy base. Let's set her down right here. Let's get this stuff off of it. Yeah, there we go. Yeah, that's nice. All right, so of course it's got some extra parts and stuff in it, so we're gonna have to get them all out of there. And I think I can just pull this right off of it, just like that. Wow, look at this thing. It is, wow, look at that. It's pretty awesome, huh? All right, so there she is. And I got a little bag of stuff here. Looks like it's got the screw, the remote, all that stuff in there. So let's just go ahead and open this up. That is our transformer right there. You know, just a regular transformer. It's got one of these little plugs. You've probably seen these before. Set that down here. All right, what else we got here? We got some kind of handle thing that goes on something. Set that down. There's our remote. Let's go ahead and get it out of its package. All right, so it looks pretty simple. Power, negative, plus, mode, swivel, timing, and I don't know what that does. But we do have to pull this out. So to get the remote to work, you've got to pull this little thing here, because what it does is this keeps the battery from making contact, so it doesn't, discharge while it's being sent to you or while it's traveling. So let's get that out of there. All right, now that's ready to go. All right, let's set that down. Oh, look, we got to get this off of here too. All right, so we got that. Let's set this down here. All right, let's keep going. Got a manual, let's put that down there. And then, I do believe this is for the base. All right, I think it's gonna go like this. It follows me? And then I screw it in the bottom of that thing, there. And I think we got it ready to go. Take a look at this. Yep. So you can see, this goes in the base. So there's your little groovage. Here's your little groove thing here. So you got to get it in there. So I'm going to just match it up. If I kind of twist it, I think we're good. And then I think we can just go ahead. So this is going to go right in there. I got to finger tighten it. But I think I could just finger tighten it. And then for the last couple tightens, I'll do this. Oh, shit. This is not the greatest tool, I gotta tell you. Now, apparently, if you look, you've got a little, this is high, but this is ridged here. So this should be higher than whatever this screw head is. All right, I think we're good. Now we can go ahead and set her down. Nice. Now I think what I'm going to do is move all this junk out of the way. All right, let's take a look and see what we got. All right, so here she is. If you look on top, it kind of gives you some information that you might want to, it still has all the contact stuff in case you need to get a hold of them. And then we come down on here, and I do believe we've got the control panel here, right? So check it out, Wi-Fi, it has the on button, fan, mode, timer, swiveler, and apparently it does two kinds of swivels. It goes like this and then like this. Anyway, here's this. So this does match up with all that stuff. Yeah, it looks pretty nice. Down at the bottom here is this little screw thing, and I think we can pull it up and you can set it. On the back, got some information. This is what the back of the fan looks like. All right. So if I wanted to raise it up, I could, but it doesn't have a spring in it, which I don't know about that. You know, I guess, what are you gonna do? I mean, they had to save money somewhere, right? Right here, it looks like this is our plug-in for this. All right, so if I want to raise the fan up from the bottom here, I twist this, and then I've got to kind of lift it, you know what I mean? Up to where I want it. I don't know, right here is good, I guess. And then I just tighten her down. I mean, this thing's heavy. I'm gonna put my foot on it like this. That way I can get it to come up. There we go. Now I've got it to the highest level. I'm gonna just put it there. And I'm gonna tighten it down. All right, so there we are. I just wanted to show you this also. Here's our remote control. It sits in there. It can spin around, you know, if you want to do that. You could just lay it right on this too if you wanted to. And if I turn this, we could just leave it right in the front like that. Now if I bring it up here, you're gonna notice that the remote control has the exact same controls as the manual. So that's for Wi-Fi. That is for your on button. That is your fan. I believe these are different modes, and I think it has 9 different things. You can set a timer. That's oscillation. Up and down, that's sideways, horizontal and vertical oscillation. All right, let's go. All we got to do now is just plug it in and try it out. So let's turn it around. There's your port that you need for your plug. Here's your plug, you can see. And all it does is go in there like that. Now I got to plug this into a wall socket, and then Bob is your uncle. We'll try it out and see what we think. How's that sound? Let's do it. And then we'll try it out and see what you think. So anyway, I've got her over here, right? And here's our plug. Let's grab our plug, and we just got to plug it into this socket here. And that goes in pretty easy. All right, so now we're ready to go. So first we'll try the manual controls. We're already getting a signal here. Let's go ahead and turn it on. All right, it's on to 7. Woo, that's good. It's working great. Check out my hair. That's at a 7 level. You know what I mean, jelly beans? Okay, so it says 7, and I think it has 9 settings. So let's try this and see if it goes higher. 8, pull back, 9. Now if I do it again, it goes lower, I think, 1. So now that's the lowest. And I can feel it, you know, it's doing its thing. Let me back up a little bit here so you get an idea of it. So I'm gonna go ahead and we're gonna go up. You ready? There's 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So that's the 9. And it's blowing pretty good. Let me show you. I'm standing over it. Now I'm going to dip down into it. You can see it hitting my clothes. There goes the hair. Yeah, it's definitely working. See that? Pretty good, I gotta say. Let's check out the swivel. So I'm going to press the swivel here, and then there we go. So now it's going up and down. Wow, nice. Feel it on my legs. Now it's coming up. That is a really good feature, I gotta say. Look at that. Gets up pretty high too. It's going way up here. Here it is. Definitely a powerful fan. I mean, you can really feel it. Let's give it let's see if it does this other swivel horizontal. All right, so now I pressed horizontal. It's still just pivoting up and down. It should go like this now. Let me try again. Here we go. Oh yeah, it's doing it, look. Now it's doing multi-pivot. Check it out. Wow, that's pretty good. So it basically does the whole room and the ceiling, everything. It's blowing air everywhere. Here it comes around. I mean, you can feel it. So it makes a pretty good pivot. All right. So let's grab the remote. Now let's see what the remote does. Let's say we want to go down. Or let's change it. Let's hit this, see what happens. Look at that. I gotta say, it's pretty awesome fan. Wow. All right, let's change this. So I just hit that. So I've changed that. So if I hit this, it starts moving. I hit this, it starts going back and forth. If I hit this, it should stop. And it slowly stops. There you go. So to start it, I hit this again. So you can be across the room and control it, which is cool. All right, I think this is a pretty good little fan, to tell you the truth. I mean, it works really well and it blows heavy amounts of air. All right, if you like this video, subscribe to my channel and check out my other awesome videos where I blow my hair everywhere with a fan. Peace out.